Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was a great national hero. He is the poet of East. He was born in Sialkot on November 9th, 1877. He received his early education in Sialkot. He passed intermediate examination from Mary College, Sialkot. Then he went to Lahore for higher studies. After that, he went to England and Germany. He got PhD in philosophy. He wrote many poems in praise of the Muslims' culture, reminded the Muslims of their glorious past. The name of some his books are Zarb-e-Khalim, Asrar-e-Khudi, Javed-Nama, and Payam-e-Mashriq. He gave the idea of Pakistan. He requested Quaid-e-Azam to accept the leadership of the Muslims. He was indeed a great leader. He died on April 21st, 1938. He was buried near the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. Thank you.